Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the dashboard for your Wix website. Click on Publish Site because your site needs to be live before connecting the domain. Once published, you will see a confirmation message. Copy the provided site link by triple-clicking it and copying it. Next, go to your domain provider. In this example, we will use GoDaddy, but the process is similar for other providers like Hostinger. Open your domain list and click Manage Domain. Then go to DNS and access name servers. Now ensure that you are using the provider's default DNS. For GoDaddy, select GoDaddy Basic DNS. For Hostinger, choose Hostinger's DNS. Then find the Forward Domain section. Here, add a redirect. Enter your domain name and paste the copied Wix link. Then, save the changes. This setup may take a few hours to update. Once active, visiting your domain will redirect to your Wix site. However, note that this is a redirection, not a full domain connection. To fully link your domain to Wix, you would need a premium plan. So, that's basically how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.